Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember this mayonnaise recipe we made at the last video? So I'm about to show you how I will use it to make egg salad. So for this egg salad, the only thing you need is mustard, which is optional. You need some salt, some pepper, some onion, and some celery. I've already cut everything and prepared everything. So I just basically add everything inside the already cooked egg, which I also diced. Remember I said that adding mustard is optional. If you don't have mustard or if you don't like the taste, you don't need to add it. So then I will scoop in a lot of mayonnaise, just the way you want it. If you don't like too much mayonnaise, you can add a little, but it tastes so good when you add enough mayonnaise. Then after adding the mayonnaise, only what you need is to stir everything together and test for salt. Adjust for salt if need be, but yeah, everything is perfect and your egg salad is ready. So to serve it, you can sprinkle some dill, some basil leaf on top of it, or some parsley leaf, and voila, you can enjoy this with your bread, your potato. You can eat it like this as well. And that's the end of today's video. Please, if you find this video helpful, please leave your comments below, like this video and share the video to your friends and your families. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and see you in my next one.